I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication on your Steam app is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Steam app. Launch the Steam app on your device. Make sure you log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your username in the top right corner and select account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Enable Steam Guard. In the account details section, find the Steam Guard option and click on Manage Steam Guard Account Security. Choose to enable Steam Guard via the mobile app. Step 4. Download the Steam mobile app. If you haven't already, download the Steam mobile app from your app store. Log in with your account credentials. Step 5. Link your account. In the Steam mobile app, go to the Steam Guard section and follow the prompts to link your account. You will receive a confirmation code to finalize the setup. Remember, if you don't receive the confirmation code, check your spam folder or ensure your email is correctly linked to your account. Setting up 2FA is a crucial step in keeping your account safe. Good luck and stay secure.